Now, this is insane. Make money worldwide, easy online jobs. Look at this. Look at all these countries. Just look at this. So what I'm going to be sharing with you right now, what's going on? Welcome. My name is Andre. And on this channel, I talk about how to make money online, affiliate marketing. And if you've never made money online, especially if you're all over the world, this is going to be a great video for you to watch. So make sure you stop doing what you're doing right now. Pay close attention. Focus on this video. Watch it all the way to the end, so I can share with you this particular website. I have some easy online jobs that you could do. And I'm talking about jobs that you can make money per hour doing something that you love or something that you think you're qualified for. So like, subscribe, become a part of the family. This is indeed my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, drop me a comment down in the comment section. Let me know where you're watching this from, so that way my next video, I can create some more videos for you, so that way it can help you in some way, shape, or form, all right? And for my regulars, happy to have you here. Welcome back to another great video. If you're looking for my #1 way of making money online, you know what to do. Right down in the description, make sure you hit that first link, and you could go to andremilleronline.com. So we're going to jump into things. I'm going to show you how to make money worldwide, easy online jobs. So what we're going to be doing, I'm going to head on over to Google. And yeah, you know I love Google. Now, this particular website, they have tons and tons of different online jobs. So they have ad analysis, there's business jobs, there's so many different things that you could do. So you want to go to a particular website that is called iSoftStone. So iSoftStone. Well, it's not iSoftStone.com. This is the way how to get to the particular website. So you have to type this in, right? Because if you go to iSoft.com, it's going to take you somewhere else. So go to Google, search it, and you got to find for this. So if you look at the handle right here, it's issworld.isoftstone.com. So when you click on it, what it's going to do, it's going to take you over to this particular website. All right. So it's going to take you over here, and they have a lot of different career jobs. So what is iSoft? Or business services are powered by crowdsourcing. So they do more of like crowdsourcing. They're looking for people all over the world. They're looking for people in different areas that can do different type of jobs to get them the results that they need. So the first thing first, what you got to do, you got to click on here where it says view all open jobs. If you click on all open jobs, if you look over here, right, there's countries such as the Philippines, there's Finland, there's Portugal, there's Spain, New Zealand, Thailand, France. So there's about 3 pages of this with open jobs right now. So the language that they're looking for will be listed over here. So if you look right here, all the languages are listed over here. So let me just zoom in for a little bit. So if you look and see the type of jobs, like for this one in the Philippines, this one is an online ad evaluator. And what an online ad evaluator is, they want you to look for some specific ads to give you your feedback and see exactly how and what the ad looked like. So if you look on here, more information about the job. iSoft is looking for online ad evaluators to join the global team. So your responsibility is judging quality and content accuracy of online advertising, just what I just mentioned, right? So that's what they're looking for. And the responsibilities, these are some of the responsibilities that they give you: analyzing web advertising and determine the relevancy of the results based on the rating schemes, right? It's a non-technical job, so you don't have to have any technical skills and all that type of stuff. So what are they looking for? Qualifications: fluent level proficiency in English, right? So this person got to be living in the Philippines for you to be a part of this. You got to have a computer, right? You got to have stable internet connection, and you got to have to be at least 18 years and older. So this is good because people always, leave me in the comments here, is there any jobs and stuff for them to do in a particular area? So if you're from the Philippines, here's something that you can get started with. So you work 10 to 25 hours per week on a flexible schedule. You could do a part-time or you could work from home. So they have free training provided, independent contractor employment, and the perfect, for those who are looking for like a flexible schedule and like work-life balance. So if you got a full-time job and you want to do this on the side, this is going to be perfect. So you can click on the apply button. And then once you do that, it's going to be a 4-step application that you need to fill out. You're going to put your name, first name, last name, all that good stuff. You know what to do. Create a profile if you haven't created one. And that's all you got to do. So I'm going to go back and look at some more jobs that they have available. Like this is like a Finnish translator. If you click on it, I'm sure you got to be able to speak the language. English transcriber. This is in New Zealand. So if you're in New Zealand, they're looking for people right away. So they're paying you per hour, which is good, 10 to 25 hours. Why wait? Apply now. So these are contractor based, and they need people that are actually living in the countries all over. There is online evaluator in India. Like, look at this, right? You got to be living in India. So this is good. And they have a lot of different countries. If you scroll through here, they got like Saudi Arabia. And let me go on page 2, right? So many different, you have US, you got Brazil, you have Japan, you got Canada, Hungary, Thailand, Algeria, Russia, Canada. So come through here, sift through, and you could find something that's going to work for you. Look at this, search engine evaluator. So this one is nationwide, and they're looking for someone in Taiwan. So you got to be living in Taiwan. I don't speak Taiwanese, but this is good, right? So this just posted, right? And come down here. So this is a great website. It is a great website with lots of work from home jobs that you can get started right away. So it is, as mentioned, it is a crowdsourcing. They got language technology. They're looking for cutting edge IT companies. So that's what they do. They work for. And you can also type in, there's different categories. There's technical testing, internship, language. There's so many different languages. And of course, the countries are listed. So you can always search. They're always looking for people to start a job. So I just wanted to create this video for you because I know I always get a lot of comments. People always send me messages and all that type of stuff. So you could get started on a job so you can make money worldwide, and it's easy online job. So this is indeed my YouTube channel. I create videos all the time. And again, if you're not a part of the comment section, you're missing out. So this is the community section. Make sure you be a part of it and see what's going on behind the scenes in my life and what's been going on. I always share some really cool tips in this area, so make sure you be a part of it. So it's your first time here, like, subscribe, and make sure you become a part of the family, because the more you engage, the more you leave me a comment and everything, the more I can engage with you. So don't be shy to, drop me a comment in the comment section. If you've never leave me a comment before, leave your first comment. You can be like, hey, Andre, this is my first comment. So that will, let me know that, okay, you're actually watching my videos. So like, subscribe, become a part of the family, and make sure if you're looking for something that's going to potentially change your life for better, not for worse, but for better, and you want to see what I'm doing, start by going to AndreMillerOnline.com. Make sure you go to AndreMillerOnline.com, and I'll send you over my #1 recommendation for you to get started right now. So thank you so much for watching. Again, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.